Slip and falls. Know what to do if you slip and fall on someone else's property. Slip and fall incidents are common and injuries can be severe. Be certain to protect your interests. I fell in a place of business and injured myself. The business has to pay all my medical bills, correct? Not necessarily. Initially, it must be determined exactly why the fall occurred. The entity that controlled the property where you fell may be legally responsible if that entity created the condition on the property that led to your fall. That entity had actual knowledge of the condition and failed to take any steps to remedy the condition. That entity did not have actual knowledge of the condition but should have been aware. So I should sue the owner? In some cases, yes. However, the possessor of the property, the lessee, for example, may be the responsible party. An investigation of the facts will reveal which party was negligent in failing to correct the problem. What if they blame it on me and say I fell because I was careless? Every individual is charged with the duty of exercising reasonable caution in conducting everyday activities. Again, facts are important. Were you on your cell phone? Were you texting? Were you otherwise distracted? Some slip and falls are attributed to negligence on behalf of the injured party. Does that mean I cannot recover anything? Many jurisdictions have what is known as comparative negligence. This means that negligence is apportioned between the negligent parties and the injured party can recover that percentage of damages for which they were not at fault. For example, if it was determined that you were 25% responsible for the accident, you could still collect 75% of your total damages. What if I fell on a public sidewalk? What if I got hurt at my friend's house? All slip and fall cases involve the concept of a duty owed and negligence. Different standards, however, do apply for each category of defendant. For instance, public entities have immunity in some situations. The reason the injured party was on private property is a factor. Contact a personal injury attorney. Do not minimize your injuries and do not let embarrassment about a slip and fall prevent you from receiving the compensation you deserve. Slip and falls.